going for a little ride toward Portland. May end up near the Willamette River. I'm going to take the back roads according to my GPS. Garmin Zumo motorcycle GPS. Tell it where you want to go, and if you have the main freeways turned off, it will take all back roads. Perfect for a motorcycle, especially when you're not in a hurry. I got a new GoPro mount for the motorcycle. It's way sturdier and more stable than the other one. I had a plastic mount down here on the handlebars, and the last time I took it out, it snapped off and my GoPro went flying and hit the street. Cracked the back LCD. But there wasn't a lot of traffic on the road I was on, so I was able to retrieve it, thank goodness, and it still works. It's the one I have on my chin. But it prompted me to go ahead and order a GoPro Hero 9. The Hero 10 is just about to come out, and so Costco had a deal on the Hero 9 with an extra $50 off. Costco had a good deal on their package. Extra battery and SD card, case, tripod. So I went ahead and ordered one. This is a RAM mount, and I had an extra handlebar mount, so I put it on, and it's got the little ball on the end, so I just ordered the extension. I got the medium, which is about 3 inches. They have a large that's 5 inches. But I thought if I could get away with the shorter one, it would stay in place better. And right now I'm seeing little to zero vibration from it, so it's real sturdy and stable. When I get back to editing, I'll see how the view is. I think it's going to be okay. You won't have to worry about this one popping off. The other mount was just plastic. And it just snapped off. What a disaster. But I'm going to end up with a GoPro Hero 9 out of the deal. The Hero 9s were released about a year ago, a little over maybe, and the touch screen on them was real sluggish and buggy. People were complaining about that, and having other issues with them overheating and randomly shutting down. But I see that the last firmware update that GoPro released for it a couple of months ago has resolved most, if not all, of those issues, so we'll see. But I figure now's the best time to buy one, right before the 10s come out, because you get the best deal on it. And if it's really bad, I'll return it to Costco. Yeah, that ram mount's steady as a rock. Yeah, it's almost a little bit chilly today with a light jacket on. Getting all kinds of ventilation through it. Can feel fall in the air. My Kawasaki W800 just hit 3,000 miles. ...2004. I bought it in January. That was a good time to buy this too. In the dead of winter, with the 2021 models just coming out. This one was brand new. But they had it discounted significantly. And there's a park up in Johns Landing called Willamette Park. There's that Willamette Park that's near Portland. And the other Willamette Park in West Lynn is where I've been riding to frequently. I brought the drone, so we'll see how it is. I might fly it for a minute once we get there. Here's some nice twisties. Would have been a lot quicker to get here if I'd taken the freeway, but wouldn't have been near as much fun of a ride. Got the Willamette River over here on the right. Just about to John's Landing. Here's John's Landing, just about to turn to Willamette Park. Somebody getting ready to put their boat in the water. Take a cruise through here. Not very busy today. Oh, look at the geese. A whole flock of them. Willamette Park, River Mile 15.8. There's the mighty Willamette River. Spent a fair amount of time out there when we had a boat. Let's cruise to a place to put the drone up in the air for a little while. Willamette Sailing Club. Okay, I'm going to turn the front camera off and leave my helmet cam on. Watch the drone go up. So if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe down below. And let's get the drone going. Thanks for watching the video. Again, please like and subscribe. And we'll talk to you later.